Hello boys and girls, today we will be doing measurements, just like it says right on this board. And if you don't see it, if you're blind, I don't know if you are or not, but it's right here. If you can only see blue, it's right here. We're not trying to be rude or anything, it's right here. So, yeah.
Hi everybody. Now let's get into the example.
So, this is the example. 2.456. Meg, we're going meg to milli. I wrote M-I-L for like mil, or however you write it, I don't know. So we're going the meg to milli. So we start from meg to milli. So you start from meg. 1. What? I messed up. You don't bounce onto it. You go 1. Alright, that's 1. That's the comma. 2. That's call. 3. That's milli. But since there's not so much space there, why don't I just use my handy dandy zoom out. Handy dandy zoom out tool. Derp. So, alright, there we go. Now, this is your answer.
And remember to always have the comma when you're doing meg, comma, call, milli.
And if you don't know what comma we're talking about, this one. I'm using a computer if you don't know. Check it. I'm just lying. But yes, now let's get on to the next one.
You can do it.
5.
So this is the pause and
Solve.
it's 2.456 and we're going from call to meg. Now if you can solve that, you can do it. Now if you want to stay and listen to our theme song, you can. Our theme song for when we're doing this, or just pause it and then listen to it. So we'll see you in a couple seconds. Bye. Alright, by this point, you should have had it done. So, like I said, we're going from call to meg. So, start from call, right here. Now we go to meg. 1, 2, too far. So, let's zoom out, and Danny zoom outer. Then, let's put a 0 there, put a dot there, put a 0 there. Now, that's your answer. If you find something else but of this, then you're probably wrong. So, now we're going to be doing
The BBTS.
woo! Alright, this is the BBTS. Jim ran 2.444444445 meters, and he wants to know how many centimeters he has ran.
And
So-
we are going from meg to meg to milli.
Alright, so bring it on back tomorrow morning for Mr. B, and you might get it right. Alright, Jim ran 2.444444445 meters, and he wants to know how many centimeters he has ran. So I have meg, comma, call, milli down there, and we're going from milli to meg. Alright, so bring this back in the morning and show Mr. B. Bye.
Bye.